In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Webflow. If you want to automatically send Webflow form submissions into another app, Zapier makes that process simple. Once the connection is set up, you can save time, reduce manual work, and make sure your leads or form responses go exactly where they need to go. To begin, log into your Zapier dashboard. From there, go to My Apps and click Add Connection. This is where you connect the tools you want Zapier to work with. In this case, you'll be connecting Webflow so Zapier can access your site data and form submissions. Next, search for Webflow in the connection window. When it appears, select it and sign into your Webflow account to grant access. This authorization step is important because it allows Zapier to securely pull in form activity from your Webflow site. Make sure you complete the permission prompt so the connection can be established successfully. Once Webflow is connected, click Create Zap. For the trigger app, choose Webflow, and for the trigger event, select Form Submission. This tells Zapier that the automation should begin whenever someone fills out a form on your Webflow site. After that, choose your connected Webflow account. Then use the drop-down menus to select your site name and the specific form name you want Zapier to monitor. Be careful to choose the correct form, especially if your site has multiple forms for different purposes. This ensures the automation listens for the right submissions. Now you'll need to give Zapier some sample data to work with. Submit a real test entry through your live Webflow form so Zapier can detect it. This part matters because Zapier uses an actual submission to identify the available fields like name, message, or any custom inputs you've added. Once Zapier finds that submission, click Test Trigger. If everything is working, you should see the form data appear inside Zapier. From there, choose your action app, which is the app where you want the Webflow form data to go. Then map the Webflow form fields to the matching destination fields in that app. Take a moment here to verify that each field lines up correctly. Good field mapping helps prevent missing or misplaced data later. Finally, turn the Zap on to make it live. Once it's enabled, every new submission from that selected Webflow form will automatically flow into your chosen app. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier to Webflow and created an automation based on form submissions. If you're setting this up for the first time, it's a good idea to send one more test submission after the Zap is live, just to confirm everything is working exactly as expected.